Yo, what's up, Waukesha? Or is it Waukesha? Whatever. Bigfoot here. Just wanted to give you a heads up, train. I'm making my way through southeastern Wisconsin this summer. You know, doing Bigfoot things, foraging, lurking, maybe popping up in a couple ring cams. And listen, if you don't want me or my buddies hanging out in your backyard, you better hit up Milwaukee Fence Finders and get yourself a fence. I'm not saying we're looking for hot tubs and leftover brats, but I'm not saying that either. Yards without fences are like open invites to the cryptid community. Yard parties, late night howls, the works. Protect your pets, protect your grills, protect your cooler of spotted cow.
Call Milwaukee Fence Finders before it is too late.